Hello viewers, how are you? Hope you are fine. In my last video I have shown how to add and edit blocks in your post. This week I'll show you how to change text settings, color settings and advanced features of blocks. Consider blocks as a paragraph. If you think about the blocks as a paragraph, then it will be easier to understand. So just click on blocks tab and you will see there's a text settings. You can change it from small, normal, medium, large and huge. If I place my cursor here and select small, then you can see the font size is becoming smaller. And you can also change font size with custom. I have changed from 13 to 27 now. So in this way you can change the font size. And if you reset, it will be changed to the previous size. And this is the drop cap. If you click on this, the first letter of the paragraph or the block will be shown as this. And the color settings, you can change the text color like this. If you click on the red color mark, then it will be changed to red color. And the background color you can change like red. So if you don't like, you can change to clear and clear. You can also give custom color, like you can change the color here like this. You can also put hexadecimal code here. If you like a color somewhere else, you can just pick the hexadecimal number and paste here, then you will get the color. So let's see how it looks like in website. So I'm selecting this one and this one. So it's showing a warning, this color combination may be hard for people to read. So we can change black and white, like preview. Okay, so you can show in this way. It's clear to people. So there is an advanced feature, additional CSS classes. CSS means a cascading style sheet. So if you want to change this block to something like that, if you want to increase the space between the words, there is no option here. So you can add more space here, or if you want something which is not available in this option, so you can add additional CSS here. Let's see how can we do this. You have to give any random name. I'm giving the name as Hitechclub 123. So before leaving this page, you have to click on update. So let's see where it is being saved. We just click on the paragraph or block and then right click and inspect. Here P is the P tag paragraph. Here you can see the CSS class has been added as Hitechclub 123. Then here there is a logo of WordPress. It's showing view post. So click on this and here appearance, customize. So here you can see an option, a menu like additional CSS. Click on this one and here you have to write the name of the class, which is in our case Hitechclub 123. So I'm giving this curly bracket and we have to write here text hyphen decoration. So if you can do many things here. If we add underline, for example, and if we publish here, so it will be published, and let's see what is the output of this one. So here you can see an underline is added in the text in this block. So you can do many things here. Even you can change text color. So there are many options you can change, and you can check and change. We'll discuss about CSS in details later on. So let's go back to the posts where we can add posts. So edit, we're going back to the edit menu. Here we have seen how can we change the blocks, or we can edit or design the blocks or the paragraphs. In the next video I'll show you how to change the documents on all these options. Thank you. If you like my channel, please subscribe. If you want to add anything, or if you have any suggestion, please comment below. Also comment if you appreciate anything. Thank you.